Namaskar, welcome to Exercise Explained. In this video, we would be doing from question number 17th onwards. The rest of the questions of this exercise has been done in separate videos, the link for which will be provided in the description below. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. So without any further delay, let's start with it. A ball is thrown vertically upwards with an initial velocity of 49 meter per second. Calculate the maximum height attained, time taken by it before it reaches the ground again. So we need to find the time, that is the time to go up plus the time to come down, because it is given clearly that before it reaches the ground again. That means we need to find a one-way time and we will be multiplying that by 2. Maximum height attained, so we'll be finding height. Now, coming to this, initial velocity u is given as 49. Now, when anything is thrown up, as I've been telling from the first video of this series, that whenever anything is thrown up, final velocity will be equal to 0. So, u is 49 meter per second, v is 0. Acceleration due to gravity, since it is going upwards, it will slow down, so it is minus 9.8 meter per second square. We need to find the height and we need to find the time. Now 2gh is equal to v square minus u square, or h is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2g. I would be using this formula. So I just substitute the values, v as 0, u as 49 and 2 into g as 2 into minus 9.8. So I get 0 square minus 49 square divided by 2 into minus 9.8. So minus 49 square can be written as minus of 49 into 49. Now 9.8 is twice 4.9. Do remember this. This is the trick. So minus of 2 into 4.9. So 9.8 I have written it as 2 into 4.9 so that it is easier for me to cancel things. Now 4.9 into 10 times will be 49 and minus will cancel. And after that this 10 and this 2 cancels, so I get 5 times. So I get 49 into 5 divided by 2. So 49 into 5 gives me 245 divided by 2. So 245 divided by 2 is 122.5 meters. So the maximum height attained is 122.5 meters. Now for finding time, I'll be using acceleration formula. So A is equal to V minus U by T. So AT is equal to V minus U. T goes to the other side. So now A comes to this side and I get T is equal to V minus U by A. So T will be V is 0 minus U is 49 divided by A is minus 9.8. Minus and minus cancels. And 9.8 I again write it as 2 into 4.9 as I did here. So now 4.9 into 10 times is 49. I just cancel the things and 10 divided by 2 is 5 seconds. Now 5 seconds is the time for the ball to go up. Now we need to find time taken by it before it reaches the ground again. That means we will be multiplying it by 2. So total time will be 2 into t, that happens to be 2 into 5, that is 10 seconds. So this was a very important question. Hope you have understood this. Getting to the next question, that is question number 18 of exercise 3E, laws of motion, ICSE 9th. So here a stone is dropped freely from top of a tower. So whenever a stone is dropped, we should understand that u is equal to 0 and it reaches the ground in 4 seconds. So time taken by it is 4 seconds. Taking acceleration due to gravity as 10 meter per second square, calculate height of the tower. So we just need to find h. So u will be equal to 0 because it is dropped from top. T will be 4 seconds. G will be 10 meter per second square. And we need to find h. So I can use h is equal to ut plus half gt square. I just substitute the values. U is 0, t is 4, half as half only, into g is 10 and t is 4, and again t is 4 because it is t square. 0 into 4 gives me 0, half into 10 into 4 into 4, so 2 and 4 cancels, so here I get 2, so 2 into 4 is 8 and 8 into 10 is 80, so we get it as 80 meters. So height is 80 meters, so this was an easy question. Getting into the 19th question here, and that would be the last question for this video. So 19th question of exercise 3E, laws of motion. A pebble is dropped freely. So again it is dropped. So when it is dropped, initial velocity will be 0. In a well, from its top, it takes 20 seconds for the pebble to reach the water surface in the well. Find depth of water surface, time taken when echo is heard after pebble is dropped. So speed of sound is given to be 330 meter per second. Acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. Now we consider this is the well and the stone is dropped. So when the stone is dropped into the well, it takes some time to reach the bottom. So here what we need to understand is the echo comes up only after the stone hits the water surface. So that means time when echo is heard will be nothing but time taken by the stone to go down, and as soon as it goes down it hits the water surface, and when it hits the water surface it makes a sound, and then the sound comes up. So will be time taken by the stone to go down plus time taken by sound to come up. Remember, sound will come up. So here we'll have the speed of sound. So t is equal to 20 seconds as it is given in the question. U is equal to 0 because it is dropped. Acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. H is equal to ut plus half gt square I do, so that I can find the height. So u is 0, t is 20 plus half into g is 10. It will be plus 10 since it is going down, into t is 20 into t is 20. So this and this cancel. So here we get 10. So 10 into 10 is 100 into 20 is 2000. So h is 2000 meters. So depth of the well is 2000 meters. Now what we need to find is time taken by sound to come up. So here speed will be distance by time, as we learnt in 6th standard probably. Time will be equal to distance by speed from this formula, and time will be equal to 2000 divided by 330. So we get it as 200 by 33, which happens to be 6.06 seconds. So the stone took 20 seconds to go down and the sound took 6.06 seconds to come up. So the time after which echo is heard will be equal to time taken for stone to go down plus time taken by sound to come up. So that gives us 20 plus 6.06, which is nothing but 26.06 seconds. Hope you guys have understood these questions. Next question onwards will be there in the next video, the link for which will be provided in the description below. Do share the videos with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. Dhanyavad.